Hello, this is Marvin from BotStacks. On this video, I will walk you through the steps to build your first AI assistant. First, log into your BotStacks account. Once you are logged in, you will see the dashboard. Click the Create BotStack button and give a name to your BotStack. After you have created your BotStack, you will be taken to the Canvas Designer. This is the place you will build your AI assistant. I will show you to create a simple assistant now. Let's drag and drop the routing node and add the any intent. Let's add the LLM node and configure it. While recording this video, we only have 2 OpenAI models, but soon you will see other LLMs here. Here for user prompt, I will give the routing node as input for the LLM, which is OpenAI GPT 3.5. We have to add the response AI node to pass the message from the LLM node to the user. Add the listen node to make our assistant listen to the user's input, so it will run on an infinite loop. Time to test our assistant on a SandBox. The response from the assistant will change based on the system prompt we gave to the LLM node. Click the video shown on the screen to build an advanced AI assistant using BotStacks.